Hey dudes and chicks and neither if those roles don't apply to you. Welcome to Makeup for Lost Time. My name is Katie. Today I'm going to be popping this palette's cherry. It's the Sugarpill Capsule Collection number 2, the orange edition. The color story looks like this, and this is the look I created. So if you like to watch, then stay here. Okay, so I'm going to start with this dense blending brush, and I'm going to use the color Youngblood in my outer V and drag it through my crease. I'm just packing this on so I can really get that red to... I'm taking this really high because I just realized when I did my cut crease the other day that I need to be taking my crease shade really high if I want my lid space to look a little bit bigger. I've just been underdoing it, which is fucking weird for me. I just blended that out to my eyebrow so I could get that elongated effect, but still keeping it round. I'm going to use my Kaleidos S3. It's this flat blender brush. And with the color Metro, I'm going to start that in the inner corner. So this one really picks up a lot. It's not quite as tightly packed as the other. And I'm just using this as a transition and to blend out the line on the red. Youngblood. Shouldn't be too difficult to remember, but I'm sure I won't. I got a lot filling up my brain these days. I'm going to use a little bit bigger of a blending brush, a little looser, more tapered. And I'm going to go into that color Metro and just use this bigger brush to kind of blend that out. With my Zoeva 221, I think it's my Zoeva 231. Or 221, but it's losing all the stuff is rubbing off. Now I'm going to go back in with that original brush and into Youngblood and just pack this on here a little more because I lost it in the blend. And I'm just blending this out and getting it good and blended into that good and blend into that yellow. That yellow has a really strong hint of green. I didn't expect that. And then with no additional product, I'm just going to go back in with that Zoeva 221. Get it good and blent. Beautiful. I'm going to use the back side of that brush that I was using, and I'm just going to drag this along my lower lid. This is Youngblood, that original reddish. And then back in with this, my Zoeva 221, and I'm just going to bring this around. That looks cool. I really like this yellow. I honestly thought I was going to be disappointed in this palette just because a lot of times I order things because I can't help it. Because I just have a compulsion that's like overwhelming. I can't not order it even though I know better, even though I know I probably won't even like it that much. And I really like this. I feel like it's super edgy. It's not like square at all. Like, it looks really cool. So anyway, trying not to yak my jibs. I am fucking going to clean my brushes tonight. That is it. I'm going to use my Zoeva 230, and I'm going to use the color Double Shot to just deepen up the crease, or the outer V, just a titch. Tapping the brush, and all I'm doing is just adding this to the very outer V. That really gave it a little something, huh? Okay, now I'm going in with the stock ABH brush, and I'm going to use that to apply my next glitter primer. And then I'm going to use my Zoeva 232, and I'm going to use the color Insomniac, this green, to go over the lid. Man, this palette is baller. I couldn't have been more wrong. This is awesome. That looks beautiful. I'm going to go back in with this brush. I'm going to get a little bit of that, more of that Youngblood. And I'm just blending out that outer edge a little bit because I don't want it to look that crisp. Pretty. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the lower lid with that green, and I'm just going to kind of take this. It's cool because when you watch other people do makeup and you do makeup like they do it, that's how you learn how to do it. But it's cool when you actually like start to figure out what you like for your own self and like get your own style. It's awesome. I literally cannot read this anymore. I think it's my Zoeva 221, and I'm just blending that a little bit more. With my Kaleidos pencil brush, I'm going to go into this lightest pink right here, this like peachy, and I'm going to use that for my inner corner highlight. Oh yeah, that looks pretty. And it matches. And then I'm going to do the same on my brow bone. Give it a little brow bone highlight. Then I'm going to go in with my finger, blend. Okay, I'm going to do my other eye and do all the things that I do when I go away, and I'll be right back. So this is the manifesto, the pièce de résistance. I used my Melt Cosmetics. I don't know what these actually are. They're just, I think they're just a bullet style matte lipstick in the color Mum. And then I used my Essence Lash Princess on my, I use my Essence Lash Princess mascara on my top lashes, and I was gonna put on lashes, but the thing about it is like in real life, like I wear lashes and sometimes I don't, and so sometimes I just like people to see like what looks look like with just my lashes, because obviously any fucking look can look good with lashes, but like a lot of people don't like want to take the time. A lot of people don't even know how to put on lashes. Like I used to be one of those people, and I'm still not very good at it. And the more I practice, the better I get at it. But I'm not like a fucking, ooh, eye wigs. Like I fucking suck at eye wigs. So it takes a lot of practice to get good at them. That might not be everybody's story, but that's my fucking story. So anyways, I love this look. I am so totally not. Oh, you know what else is? I used my ColourPop cream gel liner in Mr. Bing, and because that was the warmest tone brown that I had on my waterline. So anyways, I am totally impressed by this palette. I love this look. I feel like the pop of green makes it totally cool and different, and it looks amazing. I'm looking forward to working with this a little bit more. It has this amazing pop of blue, and it has actually a bunch of other colors. When I used this other capsule, I grew very fond of using the blush as a transition shade very quickly. So I'm probably going to do that. I'm going to do a 3 looks 1 palette with this, but I just don't know when. So anyways, I'm not going to go on and on. My last 2 videos have been so long, and I just didn't want to talk a bunch. I just wanted to get something quick and dirty. So anyways, Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like this look. Hang out with me in the comments down below. Let me know what you think about this look. Let me know if you love this palette. If you thought it was gonna be lame and actually are kind of surprised at how it's not that lame and like these colors actually look pretty edgy and bold. You guys could have been anywhere, but you were spending your time with me and I appreciate you so much. Thanks for watching.